Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Infinity Math. Dear friends, this is part 1 of SPSC CCE 2024 screening test paper. The test held on 11th October 2025. In this video, I have discussed total 100 MCQs from 1 to 100. The remaining 100 MCQs will be covered in the part 2 of this video. So let's start the MCQs. MCQs number 1. Sound of owl is option A cluck, option B hoot, option C moo, option D caw. And the correct option is option B hoot. MCQs number 2. One word substitution for to walk aimlessly. Option A crawl, option B slither, option C amble, option D sprint. And the correct option is option C amble. MCQs number 3. One word substitution for habitually silent or talking less. Option A unequivocal, option B synoptic, option C servile, option D taciturn. And the correct option is option D taciturn. MCQs number 4. One word substitution for disease of mind causing uncontrollable desire to steal. Option A megalomania, option B kleptomania, option C anthromania, option D musomania. And the correct option is option B kleptomania. MCQ number 5. Which sentence is grammatically correct? Option A, today morning I woke up early. Option B, this is a 6 months course. Option C, yes, I have a free time. Option D, none of the above. And here the correct option is option D, none of the above. MCQs number 6. Identify the tense used in the following sentence. I have been working on the problem. Option A, perfect tense. Option B, past tense. Option C, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Option D, past perfect continuous tense. And here the correct option is option C, present perfect continuous tense. MCQs number 7. Choose a sentence that contains a grammatical error. Option A, had she known about the meeting, she would have attended it. Option B, the committee have decided to postpone the event until next month. Option C, it was he who made the final decision after much deliberation. Option D, no sooner had they arrived than the ceremony began. And here the correct option is option B. MCQs number 8. Choose the correct spelling from the following. Option A, paraphernalia. Option B, nauseous. Option C, orangutan. Option D, questions. And among these, the correct spelling is of option D, questions. MCQs number 9. One word substitution for a flamboyant manner or style. Option A, scud. Option B, dapper. Option C, dolls. Option D, panache. And the correct option here is option D, panache. MCQs number 10. Synonym of the word itinerate. Option A, to make soft. Option B, assuage. Option C, insensible. Option D, steady. And the correct option is option A, to make soft. MCQs number 11. Synonym of the word dilettante. Option A, unreal. Option B, hidden. Option C, strong. Option D, prototype. And the correct option is option B, hidden. MCQs number 12. Synonym of the word palliate. Option A, a universal solution. Option B, make less serious. Option C, incense. Option D, Eden. And the correct option is option B, make less serious. MCQs number 13. Synonym of the word pallid is option A, tinny. Option B, depress. Option C, anger. Option D, faint in color. And the correct option is option D, faint in color. MCQs number 14. Antonym of the word obsequious. Option A, haughty. Option B, clear. Option C, watch. Option D, refined. The correct option is option A, haughty. MCQs number 15. Antonym of the word quaint. Option A, limited. Option B, dubious. Option C, normal. Option D, rescue. And the correct option is option C, normal. MCQs number 16. Antonym of the word quixotic. Option A, flattery. Option B, seriousness. Option C, answer. Option D, unromantic. And the correct option is option D, unromantic. MCQs number 17. Antonym of the word myriad. Option A, yield. Option B, scarce. Option C, debatable. Option D, joke. And the correct option is option B, scarce. MCQs number 18. Synonym of the word habiliment. Option A, fear. Option B, charisma. Option C, clothing. Option D, honk. And the correct option is option C, clothing. MCQs number 19. Sound of the bird turkey. Option A, rabbit. Option B, screech. Option C, wobble. Option D, gobble. And the correct option is option D, gobble. MCQs number 20. Meaning of the idiom penny for your thoughts. Option A, way of asking someone else's thoughts. Option B, thoughts which are for sale. Option C, thoughts which have negligible value. Option D, none of the above. And the correct option is option A, way of asking someone else's thoughts. MCQ number 21. What does the phrase a whiff of most commonly imply? Option A, a loud burst of sound. Option B, a strong and lasting impression. Option C, a slight trace or hint of a smell or feeling. Option D, a sudden gust of wind. And the correct option is option C. MCQs number 22. Meaning of the idiom bells and whistles. Option A, to welcome the guest. Option B, attractive but unnecessary features added to the product. Option C, caution regarding arrival of the senior officer. Option D, innovation and development. And the correct option here is option B. MCQs number 23. Choose the grammatically correct sentence. Option A, he visited the place where Napoleon died during his holidays. Option B, during his holidays he visited the place where Napoleon died. Option C, he visits the place where Napoleon died during the holidays. And the correct option is option B. MCQs number 24. Meaning of the idiom pick to pieces. Option A, complete a work entirely. Option B, analyze critically. Option C, select only what you need. Option D, study something superficially. And the correct option is option B, analyze critically. MCQs number 25. Meaning of the idiom curry favor. Option A, seek favorable attention. Option B, prepare a dish. Option C, lack of attention. Option D, seek impartial judgment. And the correct option is option A, seek favorable attention. MCQs number 26. Meaning of the idiom cheek by a jowl. Option A, arguing. Option B, teasing one another. Option C, avoiding one another. Option D, very close together. And the correct option is option D, very close together. MCQs number 27. Select the word that contains a spelling error. Option A, panderate. Option B, ablectate. Option C, behemoth. Option D, hypocal. The correct option is option D, hypocal. MCQs number 28. Select the word that contains a spelling error. Option A, boo-book. Option B, jibe. Option C, Witherton. Option D, etiquette. The correct option is option C, Witherton. MCQs number 29. Select the word that contains no spelling error. Option A, entrepreneur. Option B, riant. Option C, fulgent. Option D, arrogant. The correct option is option B, riant. MCQs number 30. Hunger pains instead of hunger pangs is this example of option A, homophone. Option B, homograph. Option C, acorn. Option D, malapropisms. And the correct option is Option C, acorn. MCQs number 31. Change the voice. Please help me. Option A, you were requested to help me. Option B, you are being requested to help me. Option C, you are requested to help me. Option D, you have been requested to help me. And the correct option is option C, you are requested to help me. MCQs number 32. Change the voice. You will have finished this work by tomorrow. Option A, this work will be finished tomorrow. Option B, this work will be finished by tomorrow. Option C, this work will finish tomorrow. Option D, this work will have been finished by tomorrow. The correct option is option D. MCQs number 33. What does the phrase egging on mean? Option A, to discourage someone from taking action. Option B, to encourage or provoke someone to do something, often mischievous. Option C, to ignore someone's behavior. Option D, to offer help in a difficult situation. And the correct option is option B. MCQs number 34. Change the voice. A lion may be helped even by a little mouse. Option A, a little mouse may even help a lion. Option B, even a little mouse may help a lion. Option C, a little mouse can even help a lion. Option D, even a little mouse ought to help a lion. And the correct option is option B, even a little mouse may help a lion. MCQs number 35. Convert the direct speech into the indirect. I was digging the garden when the doctor arrived, replied Hassan. Option A, Hassan said that he was digging the garden when the doctor arrived. Option B, Hassan said that he had been digging the garden when the doctor arrived. Option C, Hassan says that he was digging the garden when the doctor arrived. Option D, Hassan said that he had been digging the garden when the doctor arrived. Among these, the correct option is option D. MCQs number 36. Convert the direct speech into the indirect. Asad said, I shall be 21 tomorrow. Option A, Asad said that he would be 21 tomorrow. Option B, Asad said that he would be 21 the following day. Option C, Asad said that he should be 21 the following day. Option D, Asad said that I shall be 21 tomorrow. And the correct option is option B. MCQs number 37. Convert indirect into the direct speech. Option A, Samra said that the manager would go to Karachi the next day. Option A, Samra said our manager will go to Karachi tomorrow. Option B, Samra said our manager will be going to Karachi the next day. Option C, Samra said our manager might be going to Karachi the next day. Option D, Samra said our manager might go to Karachi tomorrow. The correct option is option A. MCQs number 38. Convert indirect into direct speech. Iman wondered where the sparrows had gone. Option A, Iman said, oh, where have the sparrows have gone? Option B, Iman said, oh, where are the sparrows? Option C, Iman said, oh, where had the sparrows gone? Option D, Iman said, oh, where have the sparrows gone? And the correct option here is option D. MCQs number 39. Choose the grammatically correct sentence. Option A, he is stronger than any man living. Option B, he is stronger than any other man living. Option C, Jenny and me joined the chess club. Option D, Jill took Justin and I to the shop. And here the correct option is option A, he is stronger than any man living. MCQs number 40. Select the word that contains a spelling error. Option A, Borgias. Option B, onomatopoeia. Option C, Worcestershire. Option D, peanut. Among these, the correct option is option C, Worcestershire. MCQs number 41. The tiny seed-like structures on the outside of a strawberry are called option A, akins. Option B, bulbs. Option C, kernel. Option D, none of the above. And among these, the correct option is option C, akins. MCQs number 42. Which of the following vitamins serve as the hormone precursor? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin D. Option C, vitamin C. Option D, vitamin K. The correct option is option B, vitamin D. MCQs number 43. Animals living in tree trunks are known as option A, arboreal. Option B, amphibious. Option C, aquatics. Option D, volant. And the correct option is option A, arboreal. MCQs number 44. What causes fog on the glass when hot water tap is opened in a closed washroom? Option A, evaporation. Option B, condensation. Option C, sublimation. Option D, water cycle. Here the correct option is option B, condensation. MCQs number 45. Fovea in eye contains option A, rods. Option B, cones. Option C, rods and cones. Option D, none of the above. And here the correct option is option B, cones. MCQs number 46. Which of the following is the most elastic? Option A, steel. Option B, rubber. Option C, glass. Option D, sponge. And here the correct option is option A, steel. MCQs number 47. Soap and detergents remove dirt from clothes due to option A, capillary action. Option B, osmosis. Option D, lowering of interfacial tension. Option D, diffusion. And here the correct option is option C, lowering of interfacial tension. MCQs number 48. Which planets of our solar system are called ice giants? Option A, Jupiter and Saturn. Option B, Neptune and Uranus. Option C, Jupiter and Neptune. Option D, none of these. And here the correct option is option B, Neptune and Uranus. MCQs number 49. Which planet revolves slowest around the Sun? Option A, Mercury. Option B, Mars. Option C, Saturn. Option D, Neptune. And here the correct option is option D, Neptune. MCQs number 50. The atmosphere of the moon consists of option A, 90% hydrogen, 10% nitrogen. Option B, 80% nitrogen, 20% hydrogen. Option C, 60% nitrogen, 40% inert gases. Option D, none of the above. And here the correct option is option D, none of the above. MCQs number 51. Who was the first to measure the Earth's radius? Option A, Copernicus. Option B, Galileo. Option C, Ptolemy. Option D, Eratosthenes. And the correct option is option D, Eratosthenes. MCQs number 52. Which of the following scientists got Nobel Prize 2025 in chemistry? Option A, Susumu Kitagawa, Richard Robson and Umar Muhammad Yaghi. Option B, David Baker, Demis Hassabis and Johann M. Jumpir. Option C, Mongi G. Bavandi, Louis E. Bruce and Alexei. Option D, none of the above. And among these, the correct option is option A, Susumu Kitagawa, Richard Robson and Umar M. Yaghi. MCQs number 53. Which of the following acid is used in ink? Option A, acetic. Option B, valeric. Option C, formic. Option D, tannic. And here the correct option is option D, tannic. MCQs number 54. LPG mainly consists of option A, ethane, hexane and nonane. Option B, methane, ethane and hexane. Option C, methane, hexane and nonane. Option D, methane, butane and propane. And here the correct option is option D, methane, butane and propane. MCQs number 55. The ozone molecule contains which type of bond? Option A, covalent bond. Option B, dative bond. Option C, both A and B. Option D, ionic bond. And the correct option is option C, both A and B. MCQs number 56. What is the term for a mountain formed by faulting and uplift rather than folding or volcanic activity? Option A, block mountain. Option B, dome mountain. Option C, fold mountain. Option D, plateau mountain. And here the correct option is option A, block mountain. MCQs number 57. Pollination of flowers by birds is called option A, serology. Option B, ornithology. Option C, ornithophily. Option D, cytology. And here the correct option is option C, ornithophily. MCQs number 58. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called option A, gaseous planets. Option B, dwarf planets. Option C, terrestrial planets. Option D, both A and B. And here the correct option is option C, terrestrial planets. MCQs number 59. Nitrogen occurs in plants and animals in the form of option A, fats. Option B, minerals. Option C, carbohydrates. Option D, proteins. And here the correct option is option D, proteins. MCQs number 60. The materials for rainproof coats and tents owe their waterproof properties to option A, viscosity. Option B, surface tension. Option C, specific gravity. Option D, elasticity. And the correct option is option B, surface tension. MCQs number 61. Earth's orbital speed around the Sun is option A, 70 km per second. Option B, 60 km per second. Option C, 45 km per second. Option D, 30 km per second. And here the correct option is option D, 30 km per second. MCQs number 62. Earthquake waves dash in velocity upon entering the mantle. Option A, decreased. Option B, increased. Option C, remain unchanged. Option D, suspended. And here the correct option is option B, increased. MCQs number 63. Which cloud is likely to cause heavy rainfall? Option A, stratocumulus. Option B, nimbostratus. Option C, cirrocumulus. Option D, none of the above. And here the correct option is option B, nimbostratus. MCQs number 64. Scientific study of cave is called option A, petrology. Option B, speleology. Option C, geology. Option D, dendrology. And here the correct option is option B, speleology. MCQs number 65. Age of the tree can be determined by option A, by thickness of the bark. Option B, by bulk of the tree. Option C, by counting the number of rings on its stem trunk. Option D, by number of leaves. And here the correct option is option C. MCQs number 66. The equinox is a fascinating astronomical event that occurs twice a year. The reason is option A, Earth's axis is neither tilted toward nor away from the sun. Option B, sun is directly above the Earth's equator. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. And here the correct option is option C, both A and B. MCQs number 67. Which strait separates Europe from Asia? Option A, Strait of Gibraltar. Option B, Bosporus Strait. Option C, Bering Strait. Option D, Malacca Strait. And here the correct option is option B, Bosporus Strait. MCQs number 68. Lunar eclipse does not occur every month because option A, the moon revolves at a slower speed than the earth. Option B, the orbit of the earth and the moon are slightly tilted relative to each other. Option C, the sun's orbit is not always at the same place as the moon. Option D, none of the above. And here the correct option is option B. MCQs number 69. Weakness in muscles and increase in fragility of red blood cells is caused due to the deficiency of option A, vitamin E, option B, vitamin D, option C, vitamin C, option D, vitamin A. And here the correct option is option A, vitamin E. MCQs number 70. In terms of eye, visual purple is also called option A, rhodopsin, option B, thiamine, option C, retinal, option D, opsin. And the correct option is option A, rhodopsin. MCQs number 71. Axis of rotation of the earth is tilted at an angle of option A, 23.5 degree, option B, 23 degree, option C, 23.08 degree, option D, 24.30 degree. And the correct option is option A, 23.5 degree. MCQs number 72. Which of the following factors does not affect the process of photosynthesis? Option A, CO2, option B, O2, option C, H2O, option D, light. And here the correct option is option B, O2. MCQs number 73. What does HMPV stand for? Option A, human metapneumovirus, option B, human multipathogen virus, option C, human molecular virus, option D, human mycoplasma virus. And here the correct option is option A, human metapneumovirus. MCQs number 74. Gregor Mendel is known as the father of option A, botany, option B, evolution, option C, genetics, option D, none of these. And here the correct option is option C, genetics. MCQs number 75. Tulip period was a time marked by peace, cultural renaissance and an intense fascination with tulips during the region of option A, Carolingian Europe, option B, Ottoman Turkey, option C, Imperial House Japan, option D, Habsburg Austria Spain. And here the correct option is option B, Ottoman Turkey. MCQs number 76. Bashar al-Assad, deposed president of Syria, remained in power for dash years. Option A, 20, option B, 22, option C, 24, option D, 26. And the correct option is option C, 24. MCQs number 77. Name the first president of South Korea who was arrested while still in office. Option A, Yoon Suk Yeol, option B, Moon Jae-in, option C, Go-kun, option D, Kim Jong-sam. And here the correct option is option A, Yoon Suk Yeol. MCQs number 78. Philemon Yang, who served as 79th UN General Assembly President, belongs to which country? Option A, Nigeria, option B, South Korea, option C, Cameroon, option D, Portugal. And here the correct option is option C, Cameroon. MCQs number 79. Who is the current Secretary General of NATO? Option A, Mark Rutte, option B, Jens Stoltenberg, option C, Camilla Stoltenberg, option D, Trond Giske. And here the correct option is option B, Jens Stoltenberg. MCQs number 80. Who became the first US president to reach the century mark on October 1, 2024? Option A, George W. Bush, option B, Jimmy Carter, option C, Bill Clinton, option D, Ronald Reagan. And here the correct option is option B, Jimmy Carter. MCQs number 81. World Health Organization presented which country the certificate of trachoma-free country in a ceremony on October 1, 2024? Option A, India, option B, Pakistan, Option C, Germany. Option D, France. And here the correct option is option B, Pakistan. MCQs number 82. On September 30, 2024, the final coal-fired power station in which country shut down, marking it as the first G7 nation to completely eliminate coal use in electricity production? Option A, USA. Option B, UK. Option C, Japan. Option D, Canada. And the correct option is option B, UK. MCQs number 83. The theme for the International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women 2025 is option A, Unite to End Violence Against Women. Option B, Unite, Invest to Prevent Violence Against Women and Girls. No excuse. Option C, Orange the World, Unite, Activism to End Violence Against Women and Girls. Option D, Unite to End Digital Violence Against All Women and Girls. And among these, the correct option is option D. MCQs number 84. The permanent secretariat of G20 is situated in option A, New York. Option B, London. Option C, Brazil. Option D, none of the above. And here the correct option is option D, none of the above. MCQs number 85. International Women's Day celebrated each year on dash. Option A, 4th March. Option B, 16 March. Option C, 6 March. Option D, 8 March. And the correct option is option D, 8 March. MCQs number 86. Which continent has the highest number of landlocked countries? Option A, South America. Option B, Europe. Option C, Africa. Option D, Asia. The correct option is option C, Africa. MCQs number 87. The headquarters of IBM is located in option A, Dallas. Option B, Chicago. Option C, San Francisco. Option D, none of the above. And here the correct option is option D, none of the above. MCQs number 88. The 2026 FIFA World Cup will be held in option A, Brazil. Option B, England and France. Option C, Argentina and Paraguay. Option D, Canada, Mexico and United States. And among these, the correct option is option D, Canada, Mexico and United States. MCQs number 89. Recep Tayyip Erdogan assumed the presidency of Turkey, now officially known as the Turkey, in the year dash. Option A, 2010. Option B, 2012. Option C, 2014. Option D, 2016. And among these, the correct year is option C, 2014. MCQs number 90. The artificial intelligence chatbot Bard is developed by option A, Google. Option B, Microsoft. Option C, Facebook. Option D, Twitter. And here the correct option is option A, Google. MCQs number 91. Which one is the saltiest? Which ocean is the saltiest? Option A, Pacific Ocean. Option B, Indian Ocean. Option C, Atlantic Ocean. Option D, Arctic Ocean. And the correct option is option C, Atlantic Ocean. MCQs number 92. Which of the following space agency has announced to open its International Space Station for commercial business? Option A, JAXA. Option B, NASA. Option B, ISRO. Option D, none of the above. And here the correct option is option B, NASA. MCQs number 93. In January 2024, several countries suspended funding of which UN organization? Option A, UNICEF. Option B, WHO. Option C, WTO. Option D, UNRWA. And here the correct option is option D, UNRWA. MCQs number 94. What is the capital of Myanmar, Burma? Option A, Yangon. Option B, Naypyidaw. Option C, Sagaing. Option D, Mandalay. And the correct option is option B, Naypyidaw. MCQs number 95. Who is the current Chancellor of Germany? Option A, Angela Merkel. Option B, Olaf Scholz. Option C, Robert Habeck. Option D, none of the above. And here the correct option is option B, Olaf Scholz. MCQs number 96. The Kabul River joins Indus River near dash. Option A Sawabi, option B Sialkot, option C Miawali, option D Attock. And the correct option is option D Attock. MCQs number 97. Which pass connects Chitral with Afghanistan? Option A Dora Pass, option B Bolan Pass, option C Khojak Pass, option D none of the above. And here the correct option is option A Dora Pass. MCQs number 98. Which movement in India started in response to Shuddhi and Sangharshan movement of Hindus? Option A Tablighi movement, option B Jihad movement, option C Tabligh and Tanzeem movement, option D none of these. And here the correct option is option A Tablighi movement. MCQs number 99. Pakistan test fired its first submarine launched cruise missile Babar 1 on 9 January 2017 having the range of kilometers. Option A 550 kilometers, option B 450 kilometers, option C 650 kilometers, option D 700 kilometers. And here the correct option is option B 450 kilometers. MCQs number 100. Who was the founder of the Azad Pakistan Party, the first opposition political party established after Pakistan's independence? Option A Sayyid Ataullah Shah Bukhari, option B Allama Inayatullah Mashriqi, option C Bacha Khan Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, option D Mia Iftikharuddin. And here the correct option is option D Mia Iftikharuddin.